Hey traders, I guess you saw the sell-off on major US indexes. Dow Jones dropped sharply, NASDAQ dropped, S&P 500 dropped sharply, and the fact is that many traders right now are talking about a bearish market, about a coming bearish wave and coming recession. In this video, we'll analyze the indexes, we'll execute the structure analysis, the top-down analysis, and I'll try to explain to you why the US stock market still looks very bullish to me. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. And let's start with Dow Jones Index. As you can see, the market here is very bullish. We are still trading in a bullish trend. And if we zoom in the chart, here we may spot a very nice bullish pattern. Here we have a very strong horizontal structure support. Yes, the demand zone that was respected many times in a row. Yes, you can see how nicely the price bounces from the demand zone. And right here we have a trend line. So that the price is currently trading within the expanding wedge pattern. Yes, you can see that for now the index is stuck within the boundaries of this wedge. And what we know about the wedge pattern, once the market reaches the support of such a wedge, it tends to grow to the resistance of the wedge. And recently you can see that the support of this wedge was reached. Yes, we got this massive bearish rally and the price dropped perfectly to that support. And here we got very nice rejection candles. Yes, look at this wicks. Look at this long wicks right here. Definitely tells us that many market participants were willing to buy from here. Then if we open the 4-hour time frame and analyze what was happening on the 4-hour, on the 4-hour time frame, once our demand zone was reached, the market started to accumulate. Here you can see that for quite a while the market was setting the equal highs. Yes, and at the same time, look, here the price was setting the high lows. Yes, here we have a classic example of a bullish accumulation. Yes, bullish volumes were accumulating. And then finally the ranges resistance was broken to the upside. The resistance of this accumulation range was broken. And now we see a bullish continuation. And now traders, what I expect? I expect a bullish continuation to retest our current structure high. Yes, here it goes. And then we'll go to that trend line. So you can see that for now, based on the technical perspective, based on the price action analysis, based on the top-down analysis, the market is very bullish. So if you are looking for buying opportunities, your plan right now is to patiently wait for the retest of that broken resistance and buy from here. Hey traders, if you want to learn top-down trading, if you want to learn my trading strategy, join my premium educational group. There on live streams, I will show you how I apply my trading strategy live. There I will show you how with my trading strategy, I am looking for trades, how I open the trades, how I manage them. It will be very practical for you. For more info, check my website. It is vasilytrader.com/private group. The link in the description below, or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. Our next guest is NASDAQ. And again, you can see that here the market is trading in a sharp bullish trend. And once the price reached that structure high, from that high we saw the strong bearish rally. And the price dropped to a key structure. Look left at structure. Here we have a strong zone of demand. Yes, respected many times in the past. And look how the price reacted to that structure. Again, the rejection right here, a bullish engulfing candle. Yes, we saw the willingness of buyers to buy from this structure. And look what we spot on the 4-hour time frame. Again, the consolidation. Not a bullish accumulation exactly. Here the market just was indecisive. Here we were setting the equal lows around the demand zone, and at the same time we were setting the equal highs. And then again, the range was broken to the upside. Such a range, we call that a decision range. And most of the time, the side of the breakout shows us the future direction of the market. Moreover, here on NASDAQ with my students, we were monitoring this falling channel. Yes, the market was trading within this falling channel. Yes, falling parallel channel. And the resistance of the channel was broken to the upside as well. So not only the price violated this horizontal range to the upside, we also violated the resistance of this falling channel. So here we have a double breakout. Yes, and after that we see a bullish continuation. Again, what we may expect right now on NASDAQ, we may expect right now a bullish continuation. Yes, and for now here, I expect a bullish movement to retest our current highs. Yes, and if you missed buying, if you still don't have an active position on NASDAQ, I really want you to monitor that broken resistance of the range. For now, it is the closest safe point from where you can buy. The simplest trading opportunity right here is to buy the market on a retest of the broken resistance of the range. Set your stop loss below the lows of the range. Yes, you can see that with such a stop placement, your stop is lying not only below the support of the range, it is also lying below the major demand zone that we spotted on a daily time frame. And your take profit is right here. Yes, so here you have a very nice buying opportunity. Yes, and your reward to risk ratio here is bigger than 2. So definitely consider this trading opportunity. Lastly, let's take a look at S&P500 index. Again, the market is still trading in a bullish trend. The market is still within this global bullish rally. And once that all-time structural high was reached, we dropped. We dropped all the way down to that major zone of demand. Again, you can see it is all about structure. You can see how nicely the market tends to respect structure levels. And again, look at the candlesticks. Yes, the rejection right here, the bullish engulfing candle. We see the willingness of buyers to buy from that structure. Opening a 4-hour time frame. Look, a lot of clues right here. Again, the market was ranging, the market was accumulating, the market was consolidating. Here we got the equal lows, we got the equal highs, and finally that range was broken to the upside. But moreover, right here, the price formed a classic symmetrical triangle. Yes, a classic indecision pattern. And you can see that this triangle was broken to the upside as well. So here we got a double breakout. We got a double breakout, the violation of the horizontal structure, the violation of the vertical structure. So with my students, we bought S&P 500 index. And now we expect a bullish continuation. And for now, I believe that the index will keep growing at least to that structure high. So you can see that from a technical perspective, we are very, very, very bullish right here. What I'm trying to see is that from a technical perspective, we are still bullish. Yes, all the indexes that we analyzed leave very bullish clues. But does it mean that you should buy all the indexes? No, I really recommend you to choose the one that you like the most. The one that I like the most is S&P 500 index. Yes, I buy this index for investing purposes. I trade this index. Yes, and other indexes I just monitor. I have them in my watch list, but I don't trade them. Yes, so for now traders, it is too early to see that the recession is coming. For now, we can see how the market is steadily recovering. So from a current perspective, I believe that the market will keep growing. Let me know, traders, what do you expect? Are you bullish on indexes, or do you believe that bearish rally is coming? Also, please, traders, please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I will see you on the weekend.